Hey guys, we're at Dollar Tree. Right into this right here. This is a new pattern. Yes! I was gonna say, I wonder if this is the pattern for those new dishes. Miss Girl, they right in my face. Yes on that. I might have to grab. They are really pretty. Oh my goodness, it's the black and white. Yes on that. Let me get through it. So the pie holders are over here. I think I like the white ones. What they say? You better stop it on that. Begin each day with kindness. Yes on that. I love that. Yeah, I think I like the white more than I like the black. Let me think on that, but those are rocking. So back over here to the bowls. These are a little smaller, like a little tighter, right? We just putting a little bit of Fruit Loops in there. So that's rocking. Oh my goodness. These are so pretty. I really, really like these. And I'm about to get a new server for the dining room. Yes. So these are the salad plates. And here are the bigger plates right here. Dollar Tree plates are fire. Their dishes are fire. So yes on that. So we have those, and then we have, every time I see these placemats, I always think of pillows. So yes, wait a minute. Begin each day with kindness, right? And then the black ones. Yeah, even looking at the placemats, I feel like I like the white and the black better than the black and the white. And then these. So these are the ones that go with these dishes. These been out for a minute. Get out of here. And yeah, these two I feel like I've seen before. Miss Girl, I need to do my nails over. They are tripping. So yes on that. All right. I need to decide. Oh, and the bee silicone is over here too. I wonder if I have this. Probably. So I did already grab this. I feel like that strawberry is so darn cute. Oh, they have these up here too, the different color placemats. To go with all of this, the different colors that are in there. I see, look at that. That is fire. So yes on that. Oh, look at the pool noodles and these colors right here. I feel like I haven't seen before. So remember, I think it was the leaves, butterflies. They were butterflies, the round, right? I just used them sitting out on a patio. That's Sydney, right? And the gold looks so pretty on the table. And I only had 3. Like, why didn't I get 4? So now I feel like I want to grab, and these are the pineapples right here. But it's not pineapple rocking, you know, out there on the patio and things. So I'm going to leave the pineapples, but I think I want to get 4 leaves for out there. Here go the green ones. Yeah, like I don't want these. So I'm going to get 4 of these. Yes. In the cart. Oh, look at these over here with all the Q and stuff. I don't remember seeing this. A silicone oven glove. This thing is super thick. Oh my goodness. So this color right here, I thought this was gray, but it's kind of like a grayish blue on there. And then the green one. You better stop it on that. Oh, this green one is kind of fire. I like this pattern up here. I might get this one. I think I will. In the cart. So we already picked up the mini ice cubes. I don't know which color I got. Maybe, oh, I think I got all of them, right? I feel like. So we already rocking. She recording. The Nomi's having a party. Oh, nice. Did we see this one? The red, white, and the blue? That is pretty. I think I want it just because it has all the colors in it. I don't need another one, but this one is nice. In the cart. What's funny is Sydney is recording too. She doing her thing. She was filming the Nomi's that are summertime on the other side that we saw. I don't see anything over here rocking that we didn't see. Okay. I knew we were going to make our way over here. Yes. In the cart. I'm in the party section. Look at these shakers over here. These are nice, actually. $125 on that. It's a ton of them, too. I'm passing these nails. Sinful Colors. The claws, right? Pro Nail Art. I'm actually feeling these. I'm going to give these a try. I feel like I haven't. It's 24 in here. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna give these a try. In the cart. Oh yeah, I'm used to seeing these. Right. I'm gonna grab these too. Yes. In the cart. What is this? A beauty palette. I'm not sure. Oh, mix custom nail and cosmetic colors on here before you apply. Get out of here. That's different. Yeah, they have this one and then a purple one here. I actually like this one. Yeah, that's really different. Yes! Finally, finally. How long has it been? Oh my goodness, I didn't think I was gonna get it. And this is the DT that normally gets all the good first, right? Onyx Professional, new, Callus Hero, Callus Fighting Mist. In the cart. I think we are good to go over here. I feel like, yeah, we saw this a while back. Bronzer, highlighter, and things. All right. I hope the nails I picked up are nice. I'm trying to find something equivalent to the Kiss. You know what I mean? Those are my fave. These are trash. On my fingers anyway. Nail style, I haven't tried these either. This is Pretty Woman. These are pretty, right? Yeah, I just said that. I don't want any. I feel like these rhinestones always get caught. Oh, look at these. They always get caught on Kara's hair. So hopefully the ones I picked up are rocking. I'm having fun in here. Tahari Beauty with the collagen peel off mask. Yes, on that. Firms and detoxifies. And there's a couple more down here. Actually, a lot more. So that's rocking. We saw the cream cleanser already. All right, we're good to go. Oh, look at these Chester Ranch fries. They are probably fire. Yes, on that. I don't need them now. Back in the box. Oh, and these too. The Harvest Snaps. Tangy and zesty. The tomato basil. Oh, wow. They not playing. Yes, on that. Oh, these made it to this store. I only seen them in one other Dollar Tree. The Glass DT. That's the one I saw them in. Broken Taco. Yeah, those peppers in there. Spicy serrano peppers. I saw there was 3. I only see 2 here. Herb jalapenos. Maybe it was 2, but I think it was 3, like a yellow or something. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm probably making stuff up. We're going to be getting into this soon, right? The pasta salads and things. Yes, with the BBQ and all. Yes, on that buttery steak. I did grab this one. Let me see what else is going on. Oh, nice. I saw a BBQ because it was turned like this. Texas barbecue seasoning rub. In the cart. I was about to get excited. I thought this was the Montreal. I saw a steak. Girl, oh my goodness. I need to find it. Yeah, the only thing here is the Kingsford rocking still. I'm going down quick. Yeah, I don't see it. All right, I'll keep looking for it. Oh, here's the salt-free seasoning right here. I feel like this was already rocking, but I know I don't have it, so I'm gonna grab it now. In the cart. Let me act like I know and grab another one of these. In the cart. I was just talking about the grill, right? Here's that Las Totally Awesome grill and oven cleaner, right? Tough on grease. So that's rocking. All the home brights. Oh, I don't think I've seen this one. Liquid dish soap. The green apple. I didn't see this one. I only saw the blue one. Isn't this? I was going to say it's turned upside down. It really was. Ocean Frost. No, I didn't see this. In the cart. Oh, this is new to me, right? That Totally Awesome multi-purpose cleaner and deodorizer, natural. Yeah, I haven't seen this. Not in this packaging anyway. Multi-surface cleaning cream. Oh, the pink grapefruit scent. With natural cleaner. Fights tough stains by Home Bright. So that's here. I put it back. I just decluttered under the kitchen sink. So, yeah, I feel like it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Did I tell you how much I'm loving this dishwasher freshener? It smells so good after the washes. Maybe I'm probably about 7 or 8 washes in. It really smells nice. Oh, the noodle bowl sets are back. They're so darn cute. The green one and this one right here. It was around this time last year, right? I feel like. So that's rocking again. Oh, get out of here. 100% cotton moods. This is a napkin. It's a 2-piece. in an elegant mood. That is really pretty, right? That's rocking. So this is what we're used to seeing with the Prime. All of this rocking, not the powder ones that we saw before in the glass DT that I found. So yeah, and I don't even see them here. All right, so let me see what's rocking. Miss Girl, oh my goodness. So one for me, one for you on the Tahari, right? I got the Texas BBQ in here. Yes, I was so excited. I grabbed you one too. So yes on that. This is fire. That is so pretty. I don't remember seeing this one. So yes on the salt free. I might have this. I don't know. Probably. And then, so I decided on 2 of the tall glasses, right? I grabbed 4 of the placemats, 2 of each one. I figure they would look nice all 4 together, right? I grabbed the leaves. I grabbed 2 of the big plates and 4 of the little plates. What's this box under here? Oh, the nails. I'm going to throw these on the claws. I'm going to throw those on. And then the oven glove. Oh, I thought I grabbed 2. I got to go back and get you one. So, yeah, that's it. I have fun in here. Yes. I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey, guys. We're at DT. I haven't been to this one in months. Oh, nice. I don't think I saw the ribbons yet. Miss Girl, they are full of glitter. Oh, my goodness. Yes, on the table runners, too. I see red and blue. Some garland. All right, I think everything else we've seen. Oh, you better stop it on that. That is adorable. It's a popsicle. Is it a cup, like a tumbler? A canteen. That's what it says. A canteen with a strap. That is funny. Here's the camera right here. Oh, that's funny. Look at the yellow one. I need to get this. That is super cute. In the car. Oh, she said she wants the pink camera. All right, so I'll put the yellow one back. Maybe I'll get this purple one for Kara, the popsicle. She don't care about no camera. Yeah, so that way I'll have one of each. Yes. In the car. Oh, these are cute. I haven't seen these. Class of 2025 grad. Those are cute. Oh my goodness, there's more stuff over here. Yeah, I think we saw it though. Okay. I do not. I don't even want to hold this glass. These beads look like they sting hard. Back on the shelf. Oh, these are bad. Remember the humidifiers? The gray, the blue, and the pink is rocking. Here's that yes to avocado. I feel like, yeah, I remember this. The dry skin with the hyaluronic acid. Yes on the serum, right? Yeah, we saw this. Oh, what's this? Global Beauty Care, the shimmering body oil, coconut and polyglutamic acid is in here. I think I said that right. Oh, strawberry and hyaluronic acid. This is, oh, it's the same thing. It's just 2 different ones. This is shimmering and this one is smoothing. Oh, okay, yeah, so these 2 are rocking. They are fully stocked on all the good. Yeah, I have not been here in a long time. Oh, I don't remember this. Spa Luxury, Tropical Coconut, Collagen Infused Hand Mask. 20-minute application on that. We probably need both in the cart. Oh, here's a bubble mask, a bubbling mask that I haven't seen. That's daiquiri. That's a strawberry daiquiri. This is by Be Pure. The packaging is so darn cute. I just picked up this hair pick. I don't know. I don't see any more over here, but this is different. I haven't seen these wiggles before, right? You better stop it on that. Men's boxer briefs, 125. This is Popeye. That is funny. I want these for myself. Miss Girl, that is cute. These right here with the dice rocking. Look at the Tootsie Pop. Yes, the Tootsie Pops, the Blow Pop. Oh, wait a minute. These are just like the socks, the Sugar Daddy. Girl, you better stop it on that. That is funny. Yes, they remind me of all these socks. That is funny. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these. A USB mini vacuum cleaner. These are 125. Oh my goodness. All of this stuff I haven't seen before. So the green, the blue, and the pink. I need to get one. In the cart. Miss Girl, so this is right next to all of this. It doesn't have a price on it. Tier 1 Advanced Power Strip. I don't think this is 125. I'm going to have to take it up and see. I'm going to let you know. Nothing new rocking and cleaning. Oh, wait, hold on. I saw this one, the Home Bright right here, multi-purpose cleaning piece. I thought it was this one, but I feel like they do the same thing. Yes, this says plant-based. That Home Bright. Look at this tissue compared to Angel Soft. Isn't that so cute, the packaging? Look. That is funny. Adios, meal. Sydney just hit the back of my foot with this cart. It's time to go. I'm at the end anyway. This one was fun. I haven't been here in a minute. Let me see what's in the cart. Oh, I need to see how much this is. I grabbed these two, right? One for Kara and one for Sydney. This one is for Kara. That one is for Sid. And one of these. I grabbed you one too. Yes. All right, I'll see you soon. Yeah, bye. It's 125. I had to run back and get you one too. That's crazy. All right, bye. I just saw these too. These might be 125. Nothing had the price on it, and I don't see the little scanner scan. Damp red moisture detection strips. There's 5 strips in here. Probably. I think it might be 125. All right, bye.